Whoa, yeah, look at me dead in my eyes. I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect, all of my shorty
guys, so the water is boiling. Gotta get a little bit to taste it. It'll cool down some, but it's definitely boiling to where it needs to be. And as long as the water is not too salty, we will go ahead and add the potatoes first. No, the potatoes first. And then we'll add the sausage and we'll add other stuff, whatever. Again, so let me let this cool down some, and we're gonna taste it. Yeah, so the water tastes pretty fine here. We're gonna go ahead and put the potatoes in there. You actually don't have to do this much water when you do yours though. I just did a lot because I didn't want it to be salty. Put the potatoes in there now. We'll let those boil for a little bit. And then we'll probably leave that one a little boil. So now we're about to go ahead and add the sausage and the corn. Now, of course, the water is not boiling as much right now because we have added the stuff. So, if you put anything cold in it, it's kind of like twist it away. I learned from last time we did it to add the sausage kind of like last, so that way they don't like bust open. But they still were good, but you know. We might pour some of the water out as well once we get them all done and before we add the we'll see. And then I want to go ahead and add the salad into a strainer which we washed off some. Yeah, we have more this time. This would be the thumbnail. We have way more this time. And then these tried for $20. How many we got? 1, 2, 3, like 6? Look at that. We got 6 of them. I think last time we had 4. We got 2 extra ones to pay the same price. So let's do it. You can actually turn it towards me too. Turn the camera towards me, like this part. This part here. And turn the. Okay. Alright guys, so we're gonna be pouring some of this out. We have poured some of it out because we're going to put the beer in there. And we're going to go ahead and add the crabs. because I want it to be. I'm just gonna add just a little bit more of this here, just to make sure that everything's good. And then you can just put these down like this here. That way these can cook. And then also too, those are not done yet. So I think because it's like this, I'm gonna go ahead and pour all of this, and I think that will cover it up, and that will allow everything to cook and boil. Boom. So now we're gonna wait until that is done. Okay. Now we're gonna wait until that is done boiling and stuff, whatever, and see how it turns out. So we'll get back with y'all when it's just done. Alright guys, so basically it is just gonna soak a little bit or whatever. I'm gonna just let it finish soaking and everything or whatever. And I'm gonna apologize to juice again one more time. But for the most part, I think I did my thing. Thanks to my auntie. Shout out to my auntie. And yeah, the vibes are vibing, guys. So we're about to go ahead and let it soak a little bit. I'm gonna start work and stuff, whatever, and it's to be ready for the night. So. Don't know what to do, feels like I just walked right out of heaven. Don't know what to do, feels like I just walked right out of heaven. Mama told me that if it's meant to be, she'll come back and she'll forgive me. And the best thing I can do is to just let her go. I don't wanna do it, but if I continue to push, she'll just pull away. And I know that in my heart, it's a reality. I didn't treat her like she wanted to be treated, and I hope that she never knows.
some in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty.
Okay, so right now, guys, I'm sitting here working and just playing the game, playing Fortnite. The food is done, but we're just letting it chill, so we're not gonna eat it later. I don't know. We might have to put the crabs back in there, warm them up, or whatever. Everything else, put like a microwave or something, or whatever. But yeah, everything is done, so probably won't do a mukbang because I don't know about that or whatever. But the food will be available to watch. And one day, if you guys run this video up and get me at least over 100 videos on this video, I'll actually do another one and I'll do the process from start to finish. I think that'll be kind of fun too. So.
They just wanna fuck with you, 'cause they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back, would you duck it out? Would you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't let it go, let it go. Don't let it slip away. First touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. Talking business, slow child. Lips, first touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. So tonight you should go and take a chance with her. She could be everything you wanted, boy. Don't let.
Whoa, whoa, yeah. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town.
Alright, y'all, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Fallon. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dear Michael. My real name is Fallon though. Today I'm eating crabs, and this is after me actually letting you guys know that these crabs are the bomb. Okay, so stay tuned. If you want to know, well, actually, for the not not more so the term. Exactly, step by step. But to say, watch me cook some good perfect seasoned crabs. And watch me make my dip. Now, as a growing YouTuber, I'm not gonna do a full mukbang because I'm holding the camera in one hand and eating with another. And that's mad uncomfortable. Oh my god, I have the worst allergies ever. But yeah, so it's really uncomfortable to try to like eat with one hand and hold the camera with the other hand. And just because where I'm at is the best lighting in the house right now. The light hits from the living room area in the house. It's like it goes this way. So, yeah, welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, subscribe. Most importantly, subscribe. If you guys can get this video to over 100 views and get me, Dior Michael, to over 700 subscribers, I will put the recipe and let you guys see me actually cook more crabs. When I tell you, this recipe my auntie gave me today, hands down the best. So this is not going to be the full recipe. I actually added my own twang to it as well as what I used to do before. But I did add a few things that she told me that she does too, because I remember when growing up as a kid, my mom would take us over there, and every time we went over there, she always had crabs. Like every weekend she had crabs. Like she cooked crabs throughout the week. That's how much she loved crabs. And once you start doing stuff over and over again, you begin to love it. So you begin to perfect it. So when I tell you she perfected the hell out of these crabs, like her crabs are so good. Like, and I still remember that taste from when I was younger. So I texted her this morning. I was like, hey, you know, what do y'all do putting your crabs or whatever? She told me. Boom, went and got it. Came back home, cooked it, and I'm speechless. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm ready to cook more. So in order for me to cook more, I need for you guys to support me. Um, you know, like, comment, subscribe, send to your friends about seafood, and just let's get this video over 100 views. I don't even care if it's 101. Let's get it over 100 views. Let's get me to 700 subscribers. And I've been listening to a lot of information lately, and I'm going to believe that this is going to happen. So I'm going to have faith and believe and speak into existence. You know, we're going to receive 700 subscribers soon. So this video will be dropped, and